Alright guys, what is up? It is about 7 o'clock, 6:58 to be exact, but it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Today we're gonna go offshore again with my buddy Nick and his buddy Max and some other guy. I don't know what we're targeting, but it's gonna be a sick day. Stay tuned. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below, and if you guys aren't already notified, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And as always, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the video.
I think that's a hog. Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably hog. I bet it's putting in work.
Is that a triggerfish?
Yeah, triggerfish. Nice little triggerfish. Another trigger?
Yeah.
There she goes. Lamang.
That was certified. Huh? We're going home with 2 fish now. Damn, imagine if you brought a chum block.
Little grunt.
Nice fishes. Step it up. That's a nice fish. There's some nice bugs in the box.
Another grunt. Nick's on a big fish.
This could be Nick's first ever keeper hogfish.
Catch more, dude.
He was spewing.
Damn, I got a gag.
Oh,
That's sad.
what is it, a gag? Yeah, it's a gag.
It's a pretty good gag. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
It's RG.
RG again.
Good.
There's some keepers down there for sure. I don't. They might be twins.
Someone's line's in it.
it.
Go ahead and release it.
Nice fish. That's a nice. Oh, are you in the rock?
I thought they were docile creatures. You're a docile creature, man.
Flip the bail, let whatever this is swim out, and now I got it back on.
What if a hog ate his whitebait? Max, put the fish in ice.
That's what I told him.
Don't do this again.
I'm looking for the pliers. He wants a picture.
Pliers right here in the dry holder. Is it a nice fish?
It's yeah,
Nice RG.
RG.
That's a
Another
keeper.
one?
That's 20 fish. Squeeze his tail.
Here comes your. Look at the greenback that swim out.
Max, dive in. Oh wait, that's my pinfish.
Just caught this nice red grouper on a cut whitebait. He actually brung me into a structure, but I flipped my bail and got it out. Produced a nice one. We're gonna go ahead and release it. Nick's on a nice one. Hog, yes sir.
Nice fish.
No.
Nope.
So why just behind? That was a gag.
Nah, that was a big ass hog.
Now
These fish are so good. Yellowtail. We are on the meat.
On the yellowtail.
Doubled up.
Little RG.
Doubled up.
I got a grunt. I got RG.
I think I got a flounder.
flounder.
What the fuck is this thing weighs about 2.8 ounces.
Yeah, how do you even feel that shit bite?
You
Right?
don't. Dude, this is
Like, what?
this is bait eating bait the size of the bait. Dude, seriously. One little fish. Certified grunt. We just gotta get past the grunts and then all the fish that we need will come.
Dude, that is small. Got my shrimp back there. Did he just poop on me?
Probably. That's how he feels about you.
Just like that?
It is. Talking shit. He's talking shit again. Let me take a picture of that. That looks dope.
Nick just caught something we've never seen before.
What is that?
What the?
This is like the first fish I've ever caught that I can't.
No, you can look it up.
I cannot identify the species.
Really? That might be a gag. That might be a small gag. He hit it on the way up.
Yeah.
We never stopped at this spot. We never stopped at
You-
the street fish.
You were trying to try not to go to this spot, bro. It's my fault you cut that fish.
That fish is worth. That fish looked like it would have white meat.
Grunts have white.
No, it's got fucking black. That bitch.
That's got big.
Is it? Oh no, it's a hog. It's a big hog.
Big hog.
Oh my god. That's not even... Oh my god. That is a big one.
got is 11.
Max got a big one and then another one.
Is that one?
We're out here. Max is 3 for 3 for hogs.
That's has some
3 for 3. Nick, you got one too?
It might be a snapper. Almost a hog. Hell yeah. Hey, yo, hurry, drop right here, bro.
I'm trying.
Bro, we gotta get all of
Mine
them.
just got so close.
Damn. I just missed one. Another big one. Another big one by Max. 2 keeper hogs. Nice sizes.
No fucking way. You're lying, I swear to God, bro.
Another one?
No, that's a snapper.
Damn, bro.
Potential.
It is. Oh my God.
Another one.
Really red.
Another hog.
Jeez.
We gotta be good now.
And of course, look what I catch.
Wait, you should try all the hogs fucking send us this
Yeah, honestly, you'd find shrimp if you did it with the.
There might be some rocks in
Dude, this fish wasn't even hooked.
there. What? Bro, I was
wrapped up.
I was No, I was jigging for AJ's and I fucking lassoed a giant red snapper. Didn't even hook that bitch.
Great day on the water.
Gulp shrimp?
I guarantee you if we put a DOA down.
Alright guys, thank you so much for making it through the whole video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Today was a super fun day. We caught fish all day, but it's probably going to be my last video for a while because let's just say there's something called cheese stick going around, and it's going to be hard to film because of cheese stick. You guys know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'm going to try to find something to record or something like that. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see anything new. Alright guys, that is about all I have to say, but you guys know the drill already. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.